Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Diana, and in today's video I will be doing a wear test on the new AOA Studio Buttercream gel liner and eyeshadow. So I recently did a video on these, doing a very quick first impressions and then some swatches. I will be leaving the little video thing up here somewhere, or up here, I don't remember which side. It's gonna be up here, and also I'll link it down in the description box. But today I wanted to go ahead and apply these on my eyelids and wear them throughout the day. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright you guys, so each of these is only $1. You can use these as either gel liners or eyeshadows. So I am very intrigued by this shade right here. This one is Rose. I think it is a very pretty looking shade, and I wanted to use this one as eyeshadow. I do already have a base on my eyelids, and I applied some of my contour shade on the crease to give my eyes some dimension. So I'm going to be using the AOA Studio E113 brush. This is just a flat brush that I like to use for concealer. I think you do have to go back in to get more product, because these seem to dry down pretty fast, and once they dry down they will not move. At least that's the impression I got when I did the swatches, and then I tried to take off the swatches that I did and they would not come off. But this is applying very well. Alright, so that is what that looks like. That looks very pretty. And like usual, I will be leaving the link to Shopmissa down in the description box. They've been coming out with products every week, so right now there's probably something new already. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Alright you guys, so there is that eye done as well. So now I want to go in to the matte black shade, and I'm going to take a very small brush. This is the AOA Studio E117 brush. And I'm just going to go in to this shade, and I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and then once I need more product I'll go back in, because since these dry down so fast after you apply them, I feel like if you leave them open for too long, or while you are applying your makeup, you can risk them drying down really fast. So I'm just going to apply this as eyeliner like usual. This seems to be a pretty good brush for eyeliner as well. I'm pretty sure they sell this brush individually, so if you are interested in picking up any of these eyeshadows slash gel liners, you can definitely pick up a little brush or two as well. So that's what that looks like. That was pretty easy to apply. It didn't really give me any problems. So now we'll just see how it wears. And then our starting time is going to be 1:57. So this is when I am applying the gel liner slash shadows. Alright, so I'm just going to go in and do the other eye. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look. I wanted to show you guys what the eyes looked like. I really like this look. I think it looks very beautiful. It was very easy and effortless. But alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go on about my day. I'm also recording another video today where I'm testing out the foundation that I'm wearing. So I will try to do little check-ins and tell you guys what time it is and how everything is holding up. So I guess I'll see you guys in a bit to let you guys know how the eyes are doing. Alright you guys, time for a check-in. It is now 5:37. So I believe I applied the buttercream gel liner and shadow at around 2 o'clock. So it's been almost 4 hours, and I feel like they are both holding up very well. The one in the shade Licorice still looks perfect. I love that how pigmented it is. I feel like it did transfer a little bit down here. I'll zoom you guys in so that you can get a closer look, but that is the only thing that I noticed, was that it possibly transferred down here on my waterline. Nothing crazy though. I still feel like it looks okay. And then the one in the shade Rose, which I applied all over the lid as an eyeshadow, that one is doing pretty well too. However, I did notice a little bit of creasing. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell where it creased a little bit. But yeah, you guys, those are the only things I am noticing. I feel like my makeup still looks pretty good. Excuse my shiny face. I am doing a foundation wear test, so I haven't done any touch-ups. So that's why my face is a little bit oily right now, because usually when I do wear tests, I don't like to do touch-ups. But yeah, that is it for this check-in. I will see you guys in a little bit for my final thoughts. Hey guys, so I am here for my final check-in. It is now 10:01. So it's basically been 8 hours now. I think we started out doing the eyes at around, was it 150 something? Something like that. I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure it's been 8 hours now, and I think these are doing very well. I did notice a little bit of transfer up here from the matte black shade, and then a little bit over here as well. I did notice it when I was trying to touch up my makeup. I didn't touch my eyes, but I was trying to make myself look less shiny. I did go ahead and finish my last video where I was doing the foundation test. But yeah, you guys, so the transfer from earlier that is down here on my waterline is still there. So here and there are basically the areas that I noticed that the black gel liner transferred. The other one, the one in the shade Rose that I have on my lid, that one did pretty good as well. There is some creasing, like I said earlier. I feel like this eye has more creasing than this one, but I don't know. You guys will have to tell me in the comments how you think this looks. But I think both of these held up pretty well. I really do like them. I'm very interested to try out different shades and to see if those perform the same or if they perform differently. But the ones that I tried today, I am really impressed by them. I definitely recommend these two shades. But yeah, you guys, those are my final thoughts. I do recommend these if you can get your hands on these, especially this beautiful shade called Rose. I would say go for it. You know, grab a few shades here and there and see what you like. But yeah, I think these are pretty good. But alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!